Healthcare should not be sick care. Don't wait until you get sick. Go early. When you're feeling good, that's the best time to go.
So we're at the USF Marshall Center for the 18th Annual Men's Health Forum. This is an opportunity for men to show up and basically get almost a full physical exam. They can get their blood pressure checked, they can get checked for diabetes, they could get checked for HIV/AIDS. We have skin screening as well. And men can actually get a voucher for prostate cancer screening as well.
Take ownership for your own health. Take ownership for your own screening. There are a number of people in the community that can't afford or don't have health insurance. What better way to do it than to come here to the Men's Health Forum? It's free. You can't beat that. You get all kinds of screening. You get colorectal screening. You can get vouchers for prostate screening. You get a blood pressure check. It don't cost you a dime.
This is an opportunity for men to participate in early detection. We all know that early detection is the best way to address any disease or disorder, but particularly for cancer. The sooner we can detect the cancer, the more likely you will survive.
I had absolutely no symptoms, none. But because I had the screening, I'm here today.